Luis rides a train that leaves the station at 2:15 p.m. and arrives at the next station at 4:45 p.m. He then has to wait to get on a second train. The train leaves the station at 5:30 p.m. and arrives to his destination at 6:45 p.m. How much more time did Luis spend on the train than he did waiting at the station for the second train? All right, let's first figure out how much time he spent on the train. So he left on the first train at 2:15 and arrived at 4:45. Well, let's figure out how much that is. That would be 2:15 to 4:15 would be 2 hours, plus 15 to 45 is 30. So that's 2 hours and 30 minutes. All right, that's how much he was on the first train. Then the second train, let's see when he leaves. He left at 5:30 and got to his destination at 6:45. All right, so 5:30 to 6:30 would be an hour, and then 6:30 to 6:45 would be another 15 minutes. So that's 1 hour and 15 minutes. So in total, let's see how long that is. So 2 hours and 1 hour makes 3 hours, and then 15 and 30 make 45. So he was on the train for 3 hours and 45 minutes. Let's figure out how much he was at the waiting at the second station. So he got there at 4:45, and his train took off at 5:30. All right, so 4:45 to 5:30 would be 45 minutes. All right, so the question is actually asking how much more time did Luis spend on the train than he did waiting. So he was on the train for 3 hours and 45 minutes and waiting for 45 minutes. So the answer is just 3 hours.